Hi. I'm here to talk to you about causes of snoring and how to stop snoring. Do you snore or do you know someone who snores? It is quite irritating sleeping with someone who snores or even just hearing it, right? Well, you should not worry because there are ways to reduce snoring or totally stop snoring. The important thing is that you must understand its cause so that you could find ways to treat it. Snoring is very common to be experienced, but most likely men undergo this because they have narrower air passages compared to women. There are various reasons why people snore. It can either be controllable or uncontrollable. Factors such as heredity, when narrow air passages, enlarged adenoids, cleft palate and other physical attributes are inherited. Allergies, asthma, colds or sinus infections, and age are just examples of uncontrollable factors of snoring. On the other hand, there are also controllable factors like being overweight, smoking and drinking alcoholic beverages, sleeping posture, or if the person is under medication. Anyone can really be agitated if his or her partner snores all the time. That is why some couples decide to sleep separately in order to have a good night's sleep. However, this arrangement can cause tense relationship due to lack of physical intimacy and bedtime chatting. Therefore, it is not advisable and recommendable for couples who experience this dilemma. Nonetheless, there are ways and tips that you may use and might be helpful in your situation. 1. It is effective to reduce snoring when you lose weight. This diminishes the fatty tissues in the back of the throat. As a result, you will be able to breathe easily and better when you sleep too. Elevating the head of the bed and sleeping without a pillow, or specially designed pillow can make your breathe easier. 3. Snoring is not a contagious disease that you must be afraid of. Everyone experiences this, thus, you must not be ashamed. Hope you found it useful. For more information, please